Hi, I'm Roberto Pompermayer, a software architect with experience working for big telecommunication companies like Samsung, British Telecom and Huawei. Beyond technologies, I always had passion for windsurfing and outdoors. So my van is essential for chasing the best wind and waves. And that's how the SmartVanBox was born.
A box to be mounted on any camper, van, or caravan, which talks to all the components of the vehicle, to have full control, always, everywhere.
The SmartVanBox project started as a hobby for my own use, but after realizing its potential, I decided to share it more widely as an open source project. The SmartVanBox system consists of a device installed on your van and a mobile app. It interacts with other onboard devices to collect and analyze data to provide helpful tips and alerts, making your van experience smarter and more conveniently.
Forget about checking the camper's resources, energy, water, gas. There is the SmartVan Assistant that alerts you only when external intervention is necessary. It is possible to view the overall status at a glance or get details of each individual element's status.
You can easily view the status of your van, from a general overview to a detailed insight of the specific systems, all throughout the mobile app. Our vision is to gather all essential services needed for your camper, serving as a single point of reference. Those services include resource management, itinerary planning, activity logs, and even the ability to search for and pay for a parking spot.
Personal assistant composed of a device to install in the vehicle and a mobile app. It interacts with other onboard devices to gather data, analyze it, and provide suggestions and alerts.
We launched a crowdfunding campaign to help industrialize the SmartVanBox, and there's a timeline. By early 2025, we aim to kick off the full-scale project, with certification in spring, production starting by summer, and the first unit shipped by the fall 25. Become a smart camper, support the SmartVan project via the crowdfunding, and get priority access to your own SmartVanBox. You can also contribute with a simple donation if you believe in the project vision. Thank you and see you soon.